Good morning and welcome to the Sherburne Public Library. It's time for another episode of Storytime, and I'm Mr. Mike. We're going to start out with our poem, What the Animals Do. So everybody get ready to be a bunny. Here we go. We'll hop, hop, hop like a bunny. We'll run, run, run like a dog. We'll walk, walk, walk like an elephant. And jump, jump, jump like a frog. We'll swim, swim, swim like a goldfish. We'll fly, fly, fly like a bird. We'll sit right down and fold our hands and not say a single word. Great job. Okay. Speaking of animals, do you remember what this kind of animal is? Alligator's a good guess, but we're going to call it a crocodile. And what color are our crocodiles? Green. Let's count our crocodiles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's sing our song, 10 Green Crocodiles. 1 green, 2 green, 3 green crocodiles, 4 green, 5 green, 6 green crocodiles, 7 green, 8 green, 9 green crocodiles, 10 green crocodiles. Great job. Okay, today our book is Bear Snores On. What animals do you see on the cover? We definitely see a bear. This looks like a rabbit, but in this story he's called a hare. And this bird is called a raven. Up here we have a little mouse, badger, and a mole, and a gopher. Those are all different animals in our story. We had read a story like this earlier this year called Bear Gives Thanks. Same characters. Bear Snores On is written by Karma Wilson and Jane Chapman. Now, what does it mean to snore? Well, take a look at the bear. What's he doing? He's sleeping. So, people snore sometimes when they sleep. I have a cat at home who snores. It's very funny when he sleeps. Can you snore for me? Yes, sir. Close your eyes and... Not bad. So every time you hear Bear Snores On, I need you to snore. Please and thank you. Let's practice. Bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, in his deep, dark lair, through the long, cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. See him in his cave, sleeping? Cuddled in a heap, with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold wind howls, and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark. So he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. What did he make? He made a fire to help him be warm. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare pops in. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips, wee slurps, Hare burps, big burps. Can you burp? Oh, excuse me. But the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, sniff snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums, perhaps we can share." "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch. But the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor, then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm!" twitters wren, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. Let's count how many animals are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They're having a little party. They tweet and they titter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. In his cave, see him sleeping in the back there? And everybody else is dancing around the fire. Hare stokes the fire, Mouse seasons the stew. Then a small pepper fleck makes the bear chew! He blows and he sneezes, and the whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. Why do you think Bear is so upset? They woke him up, yeah. Let's find out. "You've snuck in my lair and you've all had fun, but me I was sleeping and I've had none." And he whimpers and he moans and he wails and he groans, and the bear blubbers on. Can you blubber? Boo! Boo! Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss, look see. We can pop more corn, we can brew more tea." Oh, look. Bear gulps, bear gobbles, he sighs with delight, then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, bear can't sleep, but his friends snore on. The end. Bear snores on. Now, if you'd like to come to the library, you can come get a packet, an activity of cards that have different pictures of the characters in our story. For example, they're split in half, so you got to put them together. What do you think that's going to be? Might be part of the bear. Well, let's see. Does this look like it would fit with the bear? Not quite. How about this one? Let's see. Nope, that doesn't work either. How about this one? There, that one works. We made a bear. Let's try another one. Let's go back to this one. Let's see. Do you think that fits together? No, not quite. How about this one? Whoops. Nope, that doesn't fit together either. Let's see if I can find the correct one. There it is. And we made the fire. So you can come and get the packet, and you can match the pictures up to make a whole picture. Characters from our story, Bear Snores On. Speaking of snores, our letter of the day today is S. S. Sort of a squiggly line, a snaky line. Snake begins with the letter S. Let's sing our alphabet song and find where S comes in. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Now on our book, Bear Snores On, we see an S at the beginning of Snores, and then there's a little s at the end of Snores. 2 S's, 1, 2. Can you think of some other things that begin with the letter S? Let's go look for the letter S. Let's go look for the letter S. Let's go look for the letter S. Way down yonder in the library. Picking up S's and putting them in our basket. Picking up S's and putting them in our basket. Picking up S's and putting them in our basket. Way down yonder in the library. Okay. We have a sun. Sun begins with the letter S. And then you might need to wear these when the sun is out. Sunglasses. Both begin with the letter S. Do you know what this animal is? It's a seal. A seal. Arr, 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 arr. That's the sound a seal makes. A boat, but what kind of boat? It has sails. A sailboat. This is a seahorse. Seahorse begins with the letter S. This one's a little tricky. It's 2 pieces of bread and some lettuce and tomato. Not a taco. Remember, we're talking about S words. It's a sandwich. A sandwich. And then again, we have our capital S and our lowercase s. The letter S. Okay, I have some more books that have the letter S on them. You can come and check them out at the Sherburne Public Library. We have The Little Snowflake. Snowflake begins with the letter S. Ooh, here's another creature you find in the ocean. Stingrays. Look at, there's the S at the beginning and an S at the end. Stingrays. Ooh, the good, the bad, and the spooky. Spooky begins with the letter S. Spooky. Here we have slug in love. Slug begins with the letter S. Oh, Spider-Man's very strange day. Look at, we have an S here, an S here, and an S here. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. 3 S's. Here is Stacy's extraordinary words. Stacy begins with the letter S. And then we have eyes that speak to the stars. There's an S. Speak. Stars has an S. Eyes that speak to the stars. So those are all books you can check out at the Sherburne Public Library. Well, we're now at the end of story time, so it's time to be a teddy bear. Here we go. Teddy bear, turn around. Teddy bear, touch the ground. Teddy bear, show your shoe. Teddy bear, that will do. Teddy bear, reach up high. Teddy bear, touch the sky. Teddy bear, don't you sigh. Teddy bear, wave goodbye. Have a great day and keep on reading.